that's the down now. Welcome to another edition of your wonderful program, Obonge News 10. That's the do is here. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel. They get all the sweet news over the drop. And follow us on our social medias where they done as they scoop us. You all follow us, they like us. You get what you happen for area. They're very funny. You know? Somebody just repent new. Now, man of God, you just repent. You know, one person don't do something. Because he may go to evangelism. Nobody send them home. No only I work they go to evangelism. Can't go down where boys they smoke Igbo. Now I begin tell them. Say this two now they do no good. This two now they do no good. When I don't normal pastor they use one word. When I was in the world, I used to do this thing. But with this play now me collect it. He say, me can't show now. Those days I will before we know man of God is always a Igbo. All right, let me just take a clear heart, so I'm going to go. Sharply, what did happen for Issa Abia State Macaran take come, you know, this time around, death, just plenty, and we don't know the reason why it did like that, you know, good. For Issa Abia State, where gunmen, now so they put on gunmen, see 2 soldiers, they don't tell us whether an army or na police, because all of them are soldier. They can't kill the 2 soldiers, which is not good. It's not good at all. But we are going to get problem. When they kill the soldier, they finish. They can't seize their gun. Like this. If only you drag the gun. This soldier, they don't kill them. They can't seize their gun. What is seize the gun for? What is supposed to collect the gun because no need to seize them. No follow you there. Drag the gun again. They don't die. Say don't die. So they come. Don't kill them. For that side, that one, you pay us anyway. You pay us, but we know now we want to take them because it don't be like that. It don't be like that. That one for inside Abia State, and we still carry they go when they kill one person, when they Congo kidnap a pregnant woman and others. And what action now? On a day, kidnap pregnant woman. On a be doctor. On a be she born for hand. On a go kidnap other people liver. Or can you when they kidnap your wife? No vex. Free medical attention. That they go there. When they like that. As we still there, they talk. They go inside the clinic. I thought I say politically they this time around. This one for Kogi now it happen. I don't understand. For inside Kogi now this one can go happen. Tanka now don't come collide with keke. People die. Over 30 people now die. How many people did they inside keke? Keke, where you know they pass 4. Tanka go collide with that. I want to ask this thing. What thing go make tanka collide with keke? It's not they say tanka jam keke. They say collide. But true, inside there so it take up because people life don't go. Over 30 persons now die like that. For the cycle of the state. We still carry the go. I told I say plenty death day to do for SI River State where 4 policemen they go rig somewhere for Eleleonwa inside the capital city of River State. No, they go there go rig the place. Now one musician can't see them. Now upcoming anyway. As you see them, now me take off. As he take off, they can't shoot her. But Commissioner of Police they tell us make we get my relax. Say that matter, the 4 police people, they don't do inside prison yard, they arrest since they like killy, and so that one thing. Still yet for inside Nigeria, we they talk this one, we they understand say Nigeria they spend $1.96 billion just to construct railway from Kano here, go reach Niger Republic, yeah. $1.96 billion. We get this kind of money now you to the hungry. For this country, we get this kind of thing due to the hungry. 1.96 billion. $1.96. By the way, my ask, see Niger, see Nigeria, what to concern the two of us? Railway. How many of us use railway? We never do railway from Port Harcourt here to Owerri. Now from Kano down to now, if they use 1.96 from Kano to Niger. Okay, make them do am. Say they want to do am from Port Harcourt to Niger. That be say money don't finish. Yes, so it's this side the news. Remember, say now Ogbonge News 10. Now they just subscribe to our YouTube, follow us on our social media. Yes, this one they come from our brother Nnamdi Kanu. They accuse Buhari. Yes, say Buhari get plan say a war Islamic Nigeria. That's the one make all of us to Muslim. Now he accuse you, no be accuse you, but me and the one beg on. Make we dance with day. Make we just did the way we did. We get Christians, we get Muslim. If you find yourself for Muslim, you become Muslim. If you see yourself for a Christian, you may be Christian, may they do your own, make we do our own. You know, come go carry your own. To say, the whole Nigeria, all of us, go cut them Muslim. Or work, or you know, go work. Yes, for that side, still inside here, we still, they tell you, say, Ezendibo declare, come support. Say make IPOB stay at home, but the NATO lost it. Yes, if they say make una stay at home, stay at home. All of us go relax, stay for home. Make we just the rest as it like that. Because now they do that one. Okay, you know as they do it. Okay, you get rumor where they go on the rumor as the rumor take the waka. We don't know. Buhari, do you have a mistress? They say, oh, say you get mistress. Mistress mean girlfriend. So, Buhari, country no good, they add to the one where they get a girlfriend, okay? Buhari, the rumor they go everywhere say you get mistress. Not true or not lie. Use your mouth, tell us. So we go know. Since they don't tell you say you get mistress, you self come and say, I not get mistress. Oh, I get mistress because me I say I see you. I know you not my nigga. If you my cartel man, I know say you get mistress. I will understand. You get mistress. Remember I said now you're Ogbonge News 10. Now they just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Even the team we call them say the rumor where they go say the mistress now. Why did he come and say the mistress won't go marry? Won't go marry chief of air staff? Yes. Buhari, your mistress is about leaving you. Hola. She's gone. She's gone. So now for the other day they do. Yes, remember say in over 2 days those state election just call waka finish. Never tell where all the election come. But they say say Obaseki now they talk this one. He review how Wike take save am from save am when APC dump am. Yes. Wike save am when APC dump am. Obaseki call it say as APC dump am, now Wike come carry am. Wike, you leave your own state. They go save person for those state. How many have you saved there? You never save us finish. They say, still for those state there. They come they beg APC now. Atuna don't lose the election. Obaseki does it. Now APC still they go beg. Obaseki say, I beg, no vex. No vex, come back to the party. Come, we'll continue from where we stop. Bros, sorry, governor, you go. Answer me, you go. Because since they don't lose the election, you don't take over your seat. Don't become the governor. They take saying, by no vex, come back to the party. That one are there. So still they say, Obaseki still they thank Wike way. They don't say, oh, I owe Wike my victory. I owe Wike my victory. That's they tell so seriously. If they owe Wike victory because now Wike that make can go sit down there. Yes, now wait to make it the owe Wike victory. So make it be like that. And the same thing, no APC can't go carry blame, can't go hit. Oshemule say that you cause we lose election. Oshi, you my nigga. APC say now you cause they lose the election, not true. Jam, APC now your party. They tell you say now you cause we lose election. So we don't know whether to now you cause or no be you cause because as he did, now so you suppose they day. Remember, Obaseki don't sit down there as the governor of Edo State. Kudos, congratulations. Remember me, oh. Give me a contract. I'll be your brother. All right, it's from that side. Maybe you waka small, make it waka enter this one. I want to ask. a serious quarrel. Sex, commercial sex workers issue threat, warn in a statement, say they won't go strike. If we not go strike, it's no good though. You get some young men, bachelors, wey they help their life. Now I want to go strike. I beg. I beg with the beg on if commercial sex workers want go strike, no problem. Say so now want go strike. But man, as which company be that one? We don't know. Sex company. When I want go strike. All right, remember say that your Ogbonge News 10 9 days. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us for our social media, and those way the school pass. And inside this thing, we don't kind of come, we go hit Ghana. Ghana police commander. They tell he follow colleague being police for inside Ghana. Say this election way they come, make una reduce sex, reduce in your hand, reduce doing, so that una go get stress, save una energy, take work for the election. I beg the beg una, say make una reduce una sex acting. Those things wanna they do, those things wanna do them again, wanna reduce them. So now get straight, wanna go fit take who on self for this election. I remember saying my name na talk less, and as the news where they come, as it take on, I say we take the give you, and when we give you go like it, because when they follow us on our YouTube channel, you go see we they drop the news as it they hot. Remember we they drop every Monday and Thursday. As you just enter Monday and Thursday, you enter go see us live and direct. My name na talk less. Remember say the channel where you dey so na Ogbonge News 10. Make we carry go. Today, the guy my belly they do me, my God rest.